an app for browsing and placing orders at restaurants. So let's go ahead and sign in. And the authentication is going to be performed by Firebase. So as you can see, upon successful sign-in, we are presented with a list of restaurants, and we have a search bar here which is hooked into Google's geocoding API, and that makes a request to Google's Places API, which gives us a list of places around a 1500-meter radius for a certain city. So I'm going to go ahead and search for, let's say, Vancouver. And as you can see, all of the restaurants in a certain radius have been populated for Vancouver. We can go ahead and add a restaurant as a favorite. And let's move on to our next screen, which is our map screen. So all of the restaurants which were populated in our restaurants tab have been populated on our map view as well. And we can view a specific restaurant, and clicking on this call out redirects us to the restaurant details page, where we can also add a restaurant as a favorite or place an order. So I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, place an order for a steak sandwich from this restaurant. And then we'll move on to our cart screen. As you can see, a steak sandwich has been placed as an order. So we can go ahead and check out or clear the cart at this point. Clicking on checkout initializes a Stripe payment sheet. Which takes care of PIN code information as well, since it's a payment sheet from Stripe. And upon successful payment, we'll get a confirmation message and the cart will be emptied, as you can see. And lastly, we have our settings screen where we can set profile pictures. So since I'm running on an emulator, the camera is not visible. And we also have our favorite section where a list of saved favorites can be viewed and browsed through. And yeah, we have our logout button, which redirects us back to the login page.